beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm really excited. It's a little different from a normal hair content. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some frames that I got from Zeelool, but before we jump into the Zeelool try-on haul and review of the glasses, I'm also going to show you my go-to makeup routine that I will be probably doing the majority of 2021 for sure. Love this combo. All of this is like my favorite products that I use that work really well for my face. They blend well, everything just kind of soaks in and all together, and it just doesn't even look like I have makeup on my face. Kind of kidding, it looks like I have makeup on my face, but you get what I'm saying. Like, it just all blends well together. We don't have anything that looks separated. Everything just looks like it flows well. So I just want to show you guys my makeup routine that you will see a lot probably incorporated into some of my videos this year on my channel. And yeah, so let's hop into this review. Let's hop into this try on haul. Let's hop into this makeup tutorial, all of the good stuff all in one video. And guys, please stay tuned, stick around for the Zeelool try on glasses, because do you see these frames? And on top of that, I do have a coupon code for you guys to use. I'll have it right here on the screen so you can save some money off your purchase. So not only will you get you a pair of cute glasses, you're gonna save some money on your purchase. These are just giving me New Year vibes, you know, the champagne color, the oversized, the drip, the shine, the gleam, the glamour. I'm just feeling it all through these glasses. The look, the vibe, I'm feeling it, and I hope you guys are feeling it too. I'm really excited to show y'all the glasses. So I will put some time cards down here at the bottom so you guys will know how to get to the Zeelool part if you want to skip forward to that a little bit quicker. But I say watch the whole video if you have the time for it. But you know, I'm gonna stop rambling. I said bambling. I'm gonna stop rambling, and we're gonna jump into today's video. Also, before we jump into the makeup tutorial, I do want to just say a little little history about Zeelool. So Zeelool is an amazing company. I absolutely adore them. I love them. Their glasses are top tier. They have so many styles, so many colors, so many patterns, so many sizes. It's literally all over the world. You could literally find you a pair of glasses to go with each and every outfit in your closet. You will be obsessed, just like me. So if you don't need a prescription, they do offer glasses without prescription, and you could just get the glasses just like that. But if you're like me and you're blind as a bat, they do offer your glasses with your prescription as well. So make sure you check that out on their website, because you will not be sorry for it. So, okay, I'm gonna stop talking, and now let's jump into the makeup tutorial. am finished with the makeup, and now we're gonna jump into the the glasses. I'm super excited to see today's frames. Here is the packaging right here. I think I have a total of 6 pair of glasses that I'm going to show you, give you my quick little opinion on it. So let's go ahead and jump into the goodie. Let's jump into it. I'm excited. Okay. So these pair are from Zeelool as well. If you are interested in seeing or hearing what I think of those, I do have those in a previous haul, so I will be putting it right here in the card section, and then it'll be in my description bar as well, so you'll be able to see all those different frames that they have. So first pair. We are starting these off with a banger. Do y'all see these frames? Oh my gosh. These frames are absolutely beautiful. They have like a clear look, but they have an undertone color of purple and a little bit of teal. I love the pattern that is going through these frames. They're super square, a little bit oversized. They fit my face frame very well. They're just the right size, not too big, not too small. I feel like I'm getting perfect vision throughout the whole entire frame. I don't see a lot of my side view here. They fit very well with my lashes too, by the way. You have the same pattern going around the ear band as well. These are super duper cute. Already starting off with the top favorite for sure. I'm feeling very much studious in these. I feel like I need to go sit in a library and be reading over my notes or something from class. These are very, very cute. I feel like these are very professional looking. I'm not sure how my lighting is giving off the color right now in my camera, but you guys, these are very green. They're giving more so, I'm not sure what the name color description of these will be, but they will be right here. But they're giving me very much so alligator crocodile look color that you would get maybe like from an animated image. But these are super duper adorable. I like that they're a bit bigger as well. You have the pointy ends here, and then you have the same pattern going across the ear band as well. They fit to the face really, really good. I do have a little bit of a bigger lash today, not super duper big, but they're fitting really well with my lashes as well. So I like the fact that I can wear my lashes comfortably with these frames. Ooh, I like nude colors. These are looking very much so nude. Well, I'm pretty sure you can already tell from my initial reaction. Hello, top favorite. Okay, you guys, I'm obsessed with like really, really big frames because I feel like they make my face look a little bit smaller. But even though these are really big frames, like yes, that's what I love about them. But I also love that the color, this color is just like, it's so pretty. It's nude, but it's giving off white. It's champagne. It's so perfect. You got the same pattern here with a little bit of a wider frame here, or ear band here. The frames are super duper big. They fit comfortable on the face. They're not too tight. They feel very, very much so sturdy. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. I'm wearing these today. Today's New Year, by the way. It's January 1st when I'm filming this, and oh my gosh, I love these. These are absolute favorite for sure. These are so cute. Hello pink frames. Okay, I'm loving these. So these are like a pale pink and they have like gold little reflex in them, all in the corner, really all around the entire frame. And then you also have a few of the gold specks right here on the ear bands as well. Super duper cute frames. I love this style. I have a lot of them with this exact like structure made to it, and this is like one of my most favorite for sure. And style wise, love these are super cute. Loving the pale pink. It gives off very clean and girly vibes and feels. I really like these are cute. They are also pretty sturdy as well. These are plastic, but they feel really sturdy. Ooh, hello color. I'm just seeing color. Hello. Okay, so I'm loving the color, the pattern, everything that they did with these frames. Okay, sizing A1, 10 out of 10 for sure. Love the bigger, oversized, and they're also in square form. And can we also get into this pattern on these glasses? Okay, so we have a bunch of pattern right here at the top, giving you like more where the brows are. But then towards the bottom, you have a little fade of ombre into nude. Perfect addition to these frames. And then you also have that same pattern right over here on the ear bands. Y'all, these are super freaking cute. I would like to see a red or pink version in these. I love the orange, blue, and green color pay on these, but I would love to see this in like red or pink. It would be super pretty. I love these for sure. This will be really cute with the all nude outfit. All right, here are the last pair, you guys. These are really cute, and I feel like they're kind of going with my vibe, with my fit today and my hair. Love the pattern on these. They're like little blocks, little squares on the glasses. I want to say kind of prism, but that might be incorrect. I think that might be more relatable to a triangle. But I like what they're going on with the texture, with the pattern of these. So it has blue, red, light blue, and then like the back frame of it is clear, and then you just have the original black band right here on the ears, which is really good to go with these glasses, you guys. I super duper like these for sure. They're really cute and different. They're definitely very different. I would not have thought of a pattern of frame or glasses looking like this. Definitely they sit well. They're kind of just like the attention of the face, you know. I like that they don't have anything extra going on here. It's literally just all frame, all pattern right here in the center of your face, like bam. These are cute. I think we ended on a good note for sure. Really, I love all of the frames that I tried today. They were amazing. Not one pair that I disliked. They all feel very good as far as quality as well. I like them. But that's all I have for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun making it. I think it was simple to the point and just very easy to follow through with. If you found any glasses that you love in today's try on haul, make sure you check out my description bar below. I will have a direct link there for you as well. You can also use my coupon code Kaya to save some money on your purchase as well. Thank you again to Zeelool for providing today's glasses. Thank you guys so much for watching and still being here in the year 2021. I appreciate you. I love you so much. You have no freaking idea. You have no idea. Y'all are just literally the best. I am so appreciative of all the support that I get here on YouTube and any of my social media accounts as well. I just thank y'all so much. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm gonna stop talking about this. I feel like I done talked a lot, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.